Hello students, so today our discussion topic is file system. The basics of Linux file system we are going to learn today. Linux system, all data and programs are stored in a file. Obviously all over the storage of file is nothing but the data and the programs situated in the files only. There is not any restriction of structure of a file in the Linux. It is a collection of related data. Actually, the data and the programs collectively stored in the files. There is no any restriction for the structure of a file in the Linux. The size of a Linux file is the exact size of a content that stored in the file only. The Linux file or the file system is said to be the heart of it, because obviously the file system is said to be a heart because the all data and the programs are stored in the file system only. Next thing, a file system manages how the files are stored and retrieved easily. Next thing, it is a method through which operating system keep track of how the files are organized in the disk partition so that can be found easily. These are some of the properties of the file that we have supposed to know before learning the file system. So what are those? First, we are using storing of data and program. Next thing, no restriction of structure in the Linux file system. Third is related data is used. Fourth is the size of a file is exactly size of a content that are stored in the file. The Linux file system is said to be heart of it. And next thing, that the file system manages how the files are stored and can be retrieved easily. Okay, there are different file systems present in the Linux OS. They are different from each other based on the structure, logic and other important properties like flexibility, speed, size, etc. So there are multiple file systems are available. So in the Linux, those are different in the structure, logic and the important properties like flexibility, speed and size. File system type. Any Linux distribution has different types of files. Those are ext, ext, 2, 3, 4, xfs, ifs, registerfs, etc. So let's have differentiate between the ext 2, 3 and 4. Development in ext or ext2 is developed in 1993, ext3 developed in 2001 and ext4 is developed in 2001. Gradually it will be increased or developed in the years. Length of the file in ext 255, in ext2 same as 3 and 4 255 bytes. Minimum file size is 16 gigabit to 2 terabit in the ext2. ext3 and 4 comparatively, the 16 GB to 2 TB and the 16 TB is the extension of or ext4 file system size. Maximum size of in ext2 is 2 TB to 32 TB. It is a 32 TB length. Next, ext is 32 TB length and ext4 is 1 EI. File system features ext2 no general line file is ext3 and general line system file is ext4. Next in the basic types of files we have to learn in this file system. There are the most important and the normally known or ordinary files is nothing but the regular files. Regular or ordinary files are the mostly used in the file system in the Linux. All text files, binary files, executable files, program files, image files are regular files only. The symbol hyphen or dash is used for the regular file system. This is nothing but the given syntax of Linux is a regular file system that gives you a dash for as a symbol, and grep is a filter which will find all the regular files which denoted by the dash. Second is the directory file. Linux stores all the data and programs in a file. These files are connected in the directories only. A directory contains all the regular files, special files, other folders, etc. in the physical device. So this symbol denoted is small d. Directory file is denoted by d, small d. Regular file is denoted by dash, and this actual command is given in the below section. Next type of file is special or device file. Device file or special file in a Linux are the files that works as a interface to the device driver. When we want to create any interface between the device driver and the actual OS, then we use a special or a device file. Device file basically of two types. Those are character special files and block special files. Character special files is also known as character devices. Their behavior is like a serial port or pipes, etc. They provide a direct access to the hardware devices. And the special symbol that denoted a special character file is small c. And the command that I use in the Linux for the special file is given below. Block special file is also known as block devices. These files differ from the character device in the fact that a block device allows a program to read or write a block of any size of file. The block device are denoted by a small b, and the command that are used in the Linux is given below. So I hope these files are clear to you and you can read from this slides also. Named pipe. Named pipe, it performs communication between two or more processes like locally, and each other using a file. When you want to communicate between two or more processes locally, then we use a named pipe. This file act as a pipe among the processes. The symbol that denotes the named pipe is P, small p, and the Linux command is given below only. The socket file. Socket file are used for inter-processes communication. It is used to pass the information between the application. The main difference between the socket and the named pipe is that the socket can perform communication between processes which are running on two different systems, but the named pipe perform communication locally. So you have to remember this difference between socket and the named processes. That two different systems are used in the communication in socket files. So the socket files denote by small s, and the command is given below to you. This is nothing but the special files used in the file system. So let's conclude today's lecture. Today we learned features of a file or a file system arranged in a Linux system. There are some files or a partition used in the file system. We discussed a difference between all the file system extension, and then we learned a basic type of files. Those are regular files, directory files, and then special or device files. The special or device file has its own differentiation. First is character special file, block file, named pipe and socket files. So I hope you understand today's lecture. So thank you very much.